an incredible person. He's got a great sense of humor, and he's got this ability to make you feel better, and it's just, even when you're in a bad mood, it's like it's like a ray of sunshine on a rainy day or something like that. He's a great friend, and he's got this awesome creative streak that I'm envious of, actually, with all this like recording and camera stuff, and I think that he is just a fantastic friend, and he's always there for me. He's got a strength of will and just a big heart, and I think that's really what matters, and he's overall a fantastic person.